What's it matter? You want me to tell you? I'm going to tell you why. You've got a bad attitude. You can't get along with anybody. You've gone through 3 of our court-appointed attorneys. Ma'am, you asked, I'm telling you. So I'm going to give you a court date. It's going to be when? February?
This is the moment when a courtroom stops being polite and starts being painfully honest. A judge, visibly frustrated, lays it out in plain English. 3 court-appointed attorneys all gone. Not because of incompetence, not because of conflict of interest, but because the defendant can't get along with anybody. What you're watching isn't just a bad attitude being called out. It's the legal system drawing a hard line. When a defendant burns through public defenders, the court doesn't owe infinite patience. And today, that reality hits hard. This is the story of how self-sabotage turns into self-representation and why the judge finally says, enough.
We got a plea agreement on this one?
I'm just asking for withdrawal.
Okay. Ms. Frazier. Good. Mr. Jadala wants to withdraw. Any objections? That means he's not going to represent you.
Who is?
At this point, nobody's going to represent you unless you hire somebody, because you've been through at least 3 of ours and you can't seem to get along with people. So, okay. 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 He's just asked me to withdraw. I've let him. So he's done. He's done with this case. He's done with this case. Okay. So the question is, do you want an adjournment so you can hire an attorney, or you just want to talk to the prosecutor and do it on your own?
Yes, I need to talk to her, but she got evidence though that she ain't replying to you back. So yeah, I need to talk to her.
Okay. Okay. Go out and talk to the prosecutor. I'm dismissing McKinney.
What's going on?
My apologies, sir. There's nothing getting in contact with the prosecutor. She'll have to be advised of her rights.
Okay.
Yes.
So Ms. Frazier, here's the question. Ms. Frazier, here's the question. Do you want me to adjourn the pretrial so you can hire your own attorney, or do you want to just, pardon me?
I'll do my own because it's evidence that y'all.
Okay. 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 All right. All right. I don't have any evidence.
That's what I'm trying to get.
All right. So you want to represent yourself.
Yeah.
All right. So let's set it for trial. Do you understand the difference between a jury trial and a bench trial?
So you like the paying for it.
Pardon?
Leeway.
Okay. Okay. Is there a question there for me? I'm sorry. What's the question?
Hire leeway to represent.
You mean, can you hire one of our attorneys that are in here?
Leeway, the state.
I don't know if you can hire them or not. I don't deal with legal aid.
Set that. Okay. All right.
You can hire anybody you want to. I'm not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, all right. So you want me to give you another date so you can hire an attorney? All right. I can give you a February date. That gives you all the month of January to get somebody lined up.
Yeah. Oh, I'm just very. I'm lost on reading draw flowers. I ain't talking.
Okay, but I'm not going to make somebody talk to you.
I was no.
Right.
Maybe let's speak to the prosecutor more. That
I'm so.
So, can I have a February pretrial date?
With Judge Parker, it's gonna be.
Judge, she wants to speak back to Sammer. I don't know if that's a good idea.
Oh, I know it happened.
I think
That's like this. You never told me I'm gonna draw. He told me.
Let me ask you this. What does it matter? He asked me if he could withdraw. Obviously, he doesn't want to represent you. And I said, yes. So he's off the case. What's it matter? You want me to tell you? I'm going to tell you why. You've got a bad attitude. You can't get along with anybody. You've gone through 3 of our court-appointed attorneys. Ma'am, you asked, I'm telling you. So I'm going to give you a court date. It's going to be when? February? Ma'am, do not talk.
February 12th.
February 12th. What time? 9 a.m. Have a seat. We'll give you a paper notice, and then you're going to leave my building without talking to anybody. Are you clear on that? Ma'am, you're going to take your notice and you're going to leave my building. Ma'am, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Do you understand that? We're going to give you a notice and you're going to leave the building without talking to anybody else. No, you're going to sit down right there and I'm going to give you a notice and then you're going to leave my building. You're not going to stop and collect $200. No, you're going to leave my building. Any paperwork you want, you can get online. You're going to sit there and you're going to be quiet and you're going to get your notice and you're going to leave. Anything other than that, I'll hold you in contempt.
Calm, firm, analytical. By the end of this hearing, the outcome is clear. Even if the defendant doesn't fully grasp it, no lawyer, no more delays. A firm trial date set for February 12th at 9 a.m. The judge's message is unmistakable. The court will not force attorneys to represent someone who refuses to work with them. That's not punishment, it's procedure. From here forward, every word, every decision, every mistake belongs solely to the defendant. This case is no longer about evidence or plea negotiations. It's about accountability inside a courtroom that has officially run out of patience. And when a judge warns you to take your paperwork and leave the building quietly, that's not advice. That's a final order.